Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Codecademy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Codecademy and press enter. Click on the official Codecademy website link from the search results. Once on the Codecademy homepage, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a password that is secure and easy for you to remember. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign Up button again. You may have the option to sign up using a Google or Facebook account. If preferred, follow the prompts to connect your existing account. Next, you will be directed to a welcome page with various coding paths and courses. Browse through these options to find a course that interests you. Click on the course title to get more information. On the course page, review the curriculum and prerequisites. Once ready, look for the Start Course or Enroll Now button. Click on it to enroll in your selected course. Follow any additional prompts to set up your learning preferences. After enrolling, you will be taken to the course dashboard. Here, you can track your progress and access your lessons. To begin learning, click on the first lesson in the course. Read through the instructions provided for each exercise. Complete the interactive coding exercises as you go. Utilize additional resources provided along the way, such as forums or articles. As you progress, make sure to review the concepts covered. This will help reinforce your learning and improve your coding skills. When you finish a lesson, click Next to move on to the following one. Remember to pace yourself and take breaks as needed. Enjoy the journey of learning and expanding your coding knowledge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.